Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with messy data in Google Sheets, those annoying duplicate rows and weird extra spaces that sneak into your spreadsheets, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove duplicates and trim whitespace in Google Sheets step by step. By the end of this tutorial, your data will be cleaner, easier to work with, and way more professional looking. Let's jump right in and tame that spreadsheet. Alright, to get started, the first thing you'll want to do is select the range of data you actually want to clean. This could be a whole column, several columns, or even your entire sheet depending on where the mess is. So just click and drag over the cells you want to tidy up. Now, quick tip, if your data includes column headers like name or email, be sure to include those as well because Google Sheets will give you an option about that in a second. With your data selected, look up at the very top menu bar and find the word Data. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu is going to appear and you'll want to hover over or click on Data Cleanup. From there, select Remove Duplicates. Now, when you do this, a small box will pop up on your screen here where you tell Sheets whether your selection includes a header row. If you included those column titles, go ahead and check that box. Once you're ready, click Remove Duplicates. Sheets will, in just a moment, scan your selected data, find any rows that are exactly the same across all columns, and remove the extras for you. It even tells you how many duplicates it found and removed, which is super handy. And don't worry if this takes a few seconds with a big data set, Google Sheets is just doing its thing. You'll notice right away that the data instantly looks cleaner. This can make a huge difference, especially if you're preparing reports, mailing lists, or inventory sheets and want to avoid double entries. Great, so now the duplicate rows are history, but let's make your data even nicer by getting rid of any pesky extra spaces that love to hide at the beginning or end of your values. These are called white spaces and they can be sneaky. They might look invisible to your eyes, but they can really mess with sorting, filtering, or even formulas. So to trim them away, make sure your data is still selected. If you clicked away or the selection disappeared, just select the same range again. Now, once again, head up to the Data menu at the top, navigate to Data Cleanup, and this time select Trim Whitespaces. Go ahead and click it. Google Sheets will work its magic behind the scenes. What's happening here is Sheets is going through every cell you selected and removing any invisible spaces before or after the actual value, leaving only the real content behind. For example, if you had a cell that looked like John Smith with spaces before and after trimming, it's just John Smith, nice and tidy. This step only takes a moment, but it can really solve a lot of the weird little issues you might run into when using your data later. And that's it. In just a couple of quick steps, you've removed duplicates and trimmed away problem spaces, making your Google Sheets data so much cleaner and easier to manage. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions about these steps, or if you run into something tricky in your own spreadsheet, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials on all things spreadsheets and productivity. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.